Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. For the elegant knotless braids hairstyle, for those box braids, for the easy box braids hairstyles, and beginner friendly hairstyles. Because you are my focus of the day, how you can actually do this step by step easily. Styling your very own braids for work, for that black woman, for you, anytime. You can do this by yourself. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end so that you get every single tip that we have prepared for you. Actually, that I have prepared for you. Also, make sure that you like this video, share it out, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any amazing tutorial. You can also talk to me through the comment section. Tell me which color is your braid, and you can talk to me via my socials at Wombere Maureen. That is Miss Maureen. So if your braids are like this, all messy, what you need to do is push the braids to the front, all of them, not leaving even one out, and then do what I'll do next, okay? You push them to the front like that. So you see mine, they're all here. I haven't left any at the back. And you don't even have to touch them. You just let them flow. Then hold here and then, okay? Just flip them to the back. Flip them to the back. Flip them to the back. Just like that. If you have lots and lots of braids on you, you'll have to like do this twice. You hold some at the center and then hold the rest later. So let's start by holding some at the center. Actually, if you actually just hold some at the center for beginning, it will be much neat and much easier for you to hold the rest on your own. So, with the hair all held back, I'm just going to pick a little at the center, and that is what I'm going to hold here up. It actually helps it to look even more neat. So there you go, like that. But if you have less, you can just hold them at once. Let her go. Pick one from each side, from the sides, as you can see. I'm picking from the sides so that they may lie well. So if you have so much, you have so many, you have lots of braids, you can first hold these ones, the first lot like that, the first one like that, and then afterwards you add these other ones one by one or two towards the center. So mine, they just like that. So that's my first slot, like that. And then the second one now. Second one is just like adding the remaining hair to the rest of the hair. You pick all of them, even those ones at the back. I told you, bending to the front and then pushing the back, it actually helps them to arrange themselves. So I'm going to use this string. drop it the hair. Oh. So here at the front, I'm going to be dropping two. You just pull slowly. So you can actually even decide to just go like that. To go in all sassy. Like that. Anyways, we have to reach our goal of the day. And arrange them properly. Like that. And then pick this hair. And then turn it like this. See? But now we want it to be long. So you'll have to rotate this hair first. Okay? You rotate the hair. And then make it seem as if you're taking it like this. So while still rotating, you want it to now pass through here. Now because we don't want the round bun, we want the one that is standing like that. You do like that. You get yourself something like that. So that's how it looks from the back. Although mine looks a little loose, I should have tightened a little bit. But now that is what you'll be having from the back. And then after that, you can choose to apply some little bit of gel here on the sides to get that amazing look. Add in the toe beads. You can put beads before folding the hair up. Okay, anyway, up to that, please like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, so for them, you can see the way I've tried to do this gel thing. Gel, I like this part, the end part here more. So for it to stick, you have to like tie a small your hair with a piece of cloth, a bandana. Remember, actually we have done so many scarf tutorials and bandana tutorials here. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell and check out my other videos after this one where you can find all those tutorials. So you just tie a little bit there. And then give it a little bit of a second. In the meantime, you can be subscribing when you're giving it a second. Because yeah, I'll entertain you. Mimi na wewe kitu kimoja, sioni haya tukiwa pamoja. I wish you see how pretty I look in this new hairstyle I just rocked. Haijalishi kuwa haunioni. Ninachodhamini is the fact that you're watching this video to the very end as we're giving our some little bit of time. So remember our goal of it's this thing to stand. I'll show you another trick in the next video on this. Okay, so make sure you subscribe so that you do not miss out on that one too. So I can actually give it more time, but let's just open it now. Thank you for watching this far. Remember to like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below. Remember we're talking about which color is your braid, and share this video out and watch my other tutorials. Yeah, watch this next video, this one right here, these ones.